In this video, we'll be going over the Billboard Generator. So the first thing you'll want to do is head to the Place Actors screen and then select Billboard Generator. By default, we do have some billboards already spawned into the system, which are a number of trees. Feel free to edit the material on these or add your own billboards. And the benefit of using billboards is they're extremely lightweight, so you can spawn millions of these without running into any performance issues. And all of these can be found in the placeholder meshes section. So simply just drag the spline and you can extend or shrink your system. If you want to add a new point, select one and just hold Alt and the move gizmo. And like all of our other systems, we can simply head over to the PCG settings and we can change a number of settings here. As this is one of the more simpler systems, we have reduced controls here, but they should be good enough for what you're trying to do. So you can adjust the scale, the slope, the bounds, and the density here, as well as subtracting from the other systems, such as the path cut. Once you're happy with your system, you can simply duplicate the graph and place another one. That will keep the settings you've inputted in the original one, and feel free to change these around as required. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.